Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 8th, 2016. It's 8 a.m. and it is wonderful out. Well, at least it's not raining. Temperatures this morning range from the mid 50s to lower 60s in your northern suburbs, where the winds are light and the skies are clear, leading to temperatures being able to fall rather nicely. Further south in your suburbs, temperatures range from the mid to upper 60s for lows, and in your urban areas, upper 60s to lower 70s. Winds are light and variable with high pressure generally in control, but these winds will eventually develop out of the south by the time we get to this evening as high pressure shifts off the coast. On the radar, we do have a few widely scattered isolated showers that are showing up on the radar, but this is not reaching the ground. It's what we call virga, and this will be pressed further south as we move on through the day, with variable cloud cover over the region today. But overall, not that bad of a weather pattern for the most part for today and tomorrow. As we head towards the middle of the week, not as good. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see some of that lifting that is showing up here now. This high pressure system will press south and east and eventually shift off the coast over the next 48 hours, doing so leading to clearing skies and dry conditions. But as this high pressure system shifts off the coast and this area of high pressure is starting to develop in the upper levels, starts to dominate over the western Atlantic, we'll see cold fronts attempting to move through the region starting on Wednesday but failing to do so. And that means a constant threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and some foggy conditions in the morning. So let's dive into our forecast. For this morning, you can see high pressure starting to take hold. By this afternoon, it is shifting off the coast. Look for highs in the mid to upper 80s with a wind from the south and increasing humidity. For this evening, sky cloud cover is expected with high pressure in place. And by tomorrow morning, high pressure will be off the coast with a nice southerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour and lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon will range from the mid to upper 80s. There could be an isolated shower, but I think most locations will remain dry. Then on Wednesday, a trough of low pressure will approach the region with widely scattered isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Watch out for fog in the morning. Look for winds from the southwest at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will range from the lower 70s for lows and lower to mid 80s for highs along the coast, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Now notice those low temperatures are now in the lower to mid 70s, which means that we're seeing an increase in humidity. And that is pretty much going to be the name of the game as we move forward for the end of this week on through this upcoming weekend and into next week. We'll have high pressure off the coast, pumping in that southwesterly wind at all levels of the atmosphere. Meanwhile, cold fronts will try to approach the region, producing the threat for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. At times they'll be widespread, and at times they'll be capable of some very heavy downpours, basically tropical-like downpours with rainfall rates over an inch per hour at times. So here we are on Thursday with this cold front approaching. Watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, and with all this moisture in the atmosphere, each morning will feature the potential for locally dense fog. Lows will be in the mid-70s, highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s, mid to upper 80s right along the immediate coast. For Friday, basically rinse and repeat. Fog in the morning will be a threat and locally dense. Showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, more focused over where this frontal boundary is going to set up. So right now the guidance is suggesting that the frontal boundary will set up more towards the interior, keeping thunderstorms more focused towards, let's say, Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, and northeastern Pennsylvania, and drier towards the coast. This can easily change though. So basically, watch out for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon with humid conditions. Low temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s, high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s, even along the coast. On Saturday, that cold front will continue to meander around the region. This time, we have a focus more towards the Great Lakes, but watch out for this trough here that could spark off showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Fog again a threat in the morning, low temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast. Could be a few mid-90s focused over the Delaware River Valley, depending on the development of this trough and whether or not we get showers and thunderstorms develop in the afternoon. There is a chance that we remain dry in the Philadelphia metro, leading to temperatures being able to spike into the lower to mid-90s. On Sunday, that cold front will try to move through, but fail, with a trough of low pressure basically lingering right over the region. Watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Fog again, locally dense in the morning. Look for lows in the mid to upper 70s, highs in the mid to upper 80s, with more cloud cover in place and a greater threat for showers and thunderstorms. And on Monday, that cold front will again slowly inch towards the coast, possibly a little bit stronger this time, with scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the region, lows in the lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s, as some of that cooler air tries to push in. Now, notice one really important feature here. High pressure is off the coast. This is our Bermuda high. High pressure is over portions of the Great Lakes, right? So you have a cooler air mass here, drier as well. So this conveyor belt of moisture is not ending anytime soon. In fact, it's going to remain in place on through past this period into the middle of next week. So if you have outdoor plans for middle of August, have a backup plan for indoor activities, because it looks like you're going to need it, as this weather pattern is not going away anytime soon. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.